Okay, we're back. Alright, it's in. Not sure where I left you guys. My camera got hot and dry and died on me. So what I'm doing now is I'm building my side pieces here so I can put my seal. And then align it that way. As you can see, I used the winch. I was able to pull up that top panel, and with the wife's help I was able to put the final middle panel in. So right now I'm like I said, I'm doing the side pieces to do the seal in, and then eventually I'll come back and I'll adjust that top bracket up there, and that'll push it against the top and seal at the top, and then you got your seals along the sides. All right, well, there we are. Look at it from the outside. I almost got that side finished. I need one more piece, and then I can worry about the insulation seam. I gotta do the exact same thing to this side over here, but I'm thinking I'm gonna drop that freaking tarp off of there, but maybe not. Alright, here we are. We have problems with the phone. The phone's dying, and I had nothing left, so I had to. Might have a problem. Okay, so I had to build up the sides, and then I've still got to get my, you can see the trim on that, the seal. I got to install that around the outside. So right now, she wanted to play with the the pressure washer. So it takes care of that. I'm on the inside here. Tomorrow I'll go ahead and start putting the upper railing across, and then I'll be able to open the door. All right, end of another day. This is Friday, and I got my door installed. I've got to go buy some sealant strips for around the outside, and that'll be good for that. Of course, the building is steel. It hasn't got any insulation, and of course, this door here was originally was a non-insulated, and they went ahead and put insulation board in there, which I never even thought about, because I could put insulation board right in here. I didn't even think about it, because this garage is, you know, other than the seal and that insulated, it stays pretty warm. I don't know if I'm gonna spray foam the inside, or go ahead and put insulation board along the inside of that, but that's down the road. I'm not gonna really worry about that. I got plenty of heating units to keep it warm. But there we go. I just gotta do a little more scrubbing on it. It'll be nice and white. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and paint the door the same color as the wall, but then again, my garage door here is white, so I might as well just leave it trim it out in white, and let it go with that. Make it match up pretty good. So anyway, I'm done for the night. Got some stuff moved around. That area's wide open now. I gotta get these fallen rocks back up there, and I'll have a little more of a turning radius going into this one here. So I'm calling. All right, it's a continuation of putting the garage door in my lift garage. As you can see, I got my first upper track. What I did is I put a strap from up there, bring it down a little bit, so I was able to get the track to sit inside it. And I went up the ladder, and then I was able to go ahead and put I came in from the middle, and bring it completely over. It's got to come over. It's got to come over a little bit, and I got to figure out what I'm going to do to support it there. You got 2 bolts that go right here, and then the your upper support has a carriage bolt that goes through. So there we go. My next is going to figure out what I'm going to do to support it across that. We'll have to see. What I was going to do is get a piece of this and then have it hang down and then secure it. May not have to. I thought I was gonna have a lot of length, but that's going right on up. That's where it is. It goes up at an angle, actually. So with that being in the middle of the garage, it's not gonna have too much effect on the lift with the door open. So we'll get this one. I'll get this one figured out, and then I'll be able to go ahead and copy it on this side with that one. I actually got 4. I think I'm only using 1. So I got 2 more. I got 2 more. 1 here. I got 3. I think I got 2. Oh yeah, I got 3. Okay. So I got 3 more. I'm missing a nut. The nut. So there it is. There it is. Alright, so there we go. So you got 1 on this end, and then you're gonna have another one on the other end, depending on what you're gonna bolt it to. So you're right, it's right here. It's right on that beam. So I may only need a piece of flat plate coming down, or again, just one of these pieces, and I can slice it down the exact same width, and then I'll be able to put the bolt through here, and then a bolt through here into the cross member. All right, we're on a continuation here. I've got my piece up there now. I changed where I wanted. I put it on the inside of the track, so so when the door comes up, it's not going to come off the track. And then got this one up now, and now what I'm doing is getting my measurement for my support. Coming to find out, this side of the building's 1 inch taller. this side over here. You know, what are you gonna do? I'm glad I'm not building a skyscraper, because oh my word. Anyway. Alright, well now I decided to put my camera on a tripod, and then might be able to do what I needed to do. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm getting that side right there ready to go. But of course, you know, wouldn't you know, I don't have all the bolts I need to do what I need to do. So, nope, of course not. We have 5 inch, and I don't have a 5 inch. Too bad I wasn't lined up with a couple of the bolts that I put through when I did the 2x4s for what I needed. So I need to do right now is line this puppy up. takes care of that. Where I'm at with that.